Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to day 10 of this 30-day flexibility journey. This is your special day for a full-length practice, and we're going to go into the journey of twists. Now, I hope that you've been enjoying getting more flexible with the little short clips of each day. And then if you like the challenge, you'll subscribe and leave me a comment, let me know how it's going. And if you want those full-length practices, join me on Omstars.com, where we can go very deeply into not only flexibility, but the whole yoga journey. So, when you're ready to get started, let's go over onto the hands and knees. So we'll get started in that tabletop position. Tabletop position, let's just roll a little bit back and forward, side to side rather, in the hips, just getting the feeling of the outer range of motion in the hips. We'll just do a few more of these, side to side. All right, that's good. Bring your right hand into the center. We're going to start off with thread the needle. Inhale, lift the left arm up, and then exhale, slide all the way under. Extend your right arm over the top of the head, and we'll breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, easy does it. 5, all right, that's good. Walk your right hand back. Inhale, come back to the center, tabletop position. Left hand in. Inhale, lift big, open. And then exhale, slide that right arm through and the left arm overhead and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, walk the left hand back. Inhale, come on back into the center. And then again, test out the hips from side to side so you get the feeling, movement in the spine. All right, let's curl the toes under and inhale, rise on up to downward facing dog. We'll bend the knees and curl and inhale, hips back and up. Bend the knees and curl, and then inhale, hips back and up. Give a little side to side action with the hips, and then let's settle in for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's twist out our downward dog in 2 ways. Take your right hand, press into the right hand, and then reach the left arm down towards the right ankle. Hold. 2, 3. You could even drop the head a little over to the side. 4, 5. Let's change the hands. Press into the left hand a little bit. Slide through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to the center. Now we're going to twist the hips in the downward dog. Give your hips a little wiggle. Drop your right knee forward, coming onto the ball of the right foot, then spin on the balls of the feet so you can kind of point your butt over to the right side. And we're feeling the stretch through the left. And stay for 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to the center. Stabilize for a moment. Now we'll try the other side. Onto the ball of the left foot. Spin on the balls of both feet, and then sink the right heel down, and then drop your butt over to the left side. Twist out the dog. 1, 2, press strongly into the left hand, but soften the right. 4, 5, and back to the center. Switch your gaze forward. Let's walk forward. Drop down, hanging forward fold. Bring your chest on your thighs, and inhale, hips back and up, and just let the torso release, and we'll stay for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, we'll take the hands down. Step the left foot back and keep the right foot forward. Wiggle the toes, walk, walk, walk. And then exhale, let's come down into a lunge. From the lunge position, let's take open twists and hold. 1, 2, 3, give it a big open twist. 4, you can look up at the right fingers. 5, now lift your back knee off the ground. That's good. 1, 2, 3, feeling the lift and length through the spine. 4, and 5. Exhale down. Now hug the knee and close the hip. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go all the way over and hands in prayer. 1, 2, keep going forward. 3, 4, almost there. You can stay here, or maybe you can explore. Left hand to the ground, take a moment there, and then extend. 1, lift. 2, look anywhere that's comfortable, or maybe even all the way up to the right fingers. 4, and 5. Exhale down, slowly come down. Spin the shoulders forward, take a moment. Inhale back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing, deep breath in. Exhale, downward facing, deep breath out. Inhale, left foot forward, take a moment and wiggle those toes forward, right knee down. Let's spiral through the open twist. 1, 2, create the length. 3, 4, 5. Now press back into your right leg and lift the right knee. 1, big open twist. 3, keep the left knee traveling forward. 4, and 5. Exhale down. Take a moment here. Let's hug that left knee. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now spiral around. Hands in prayer, look behind. 2, 3, you can stay here if this is enough. 4, or on 5, you can see if that right hand can get towards the ground. And then lifting the back knee and spiraling up, gazing where it's comfortable or where you feel balance, or all the way to the left fingers. 1, 2, 3, steady. 4, and 5. Exhale down. Take a moment back to the center. Inhale, find your way back, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing, big breath in. Downward facing, and big breath out. Sink the knees down, let's cross the feet. Come on down to seated, stretch out the legs. Slowly now bend your right knee. Hug the right knee into the chest. Deep breath in, and deep breath out. Lift the center of the chest, and then let's go for an open twist. We can hug a little bit in and kind of get that feeling of open. And now let's close the twist. When you close the twist, it's an increased demand on that right hip, so be careful. Don't overdo it. Hug the knee and look to the right. 1, 2. Steady, keep breathing. 3, 4, almost there. 5, spiral around. And just let the whole torso drape over to the right side. Extend the left shoulder, reach, reach, reach. If the elbows pass the shin bone, spiral around, maybe looking for the hands, and look to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And back to the center. Sit for a moment, Dandasana position, deep breath in. And a deep breath out. All right, let's bend the left knee. Give yourself a little hug in. Hold on to the knee, and then let's open and close. Get the feeling of open and twist, close the twist. Open and twist, close, equalize the pelvis, give it a little hug. For some of us, maybe that's enough. Otherwise, we can think about reaching around and just draping the body over to the left. This is enough. You can stay here. Otherwise, reach the right arm, spiral down, keeping the right shoulder down and reaching the hands towards each other. Let's look to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's let it go. Take the left hand behind you for support. Slowly uncurl, cross your feet. Slowly come up. Find your plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing, big breath in. Downward facing, big breath out. Let's sink the knees. We'll turn around. We're going to roll the spine down. We got one more twist, and I think you'll like this one. Starting off in constructive rest. Let the body rest for a moment. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. One more. Extend the left leg and draw the right knee in. And you're welcome to use the bolster underneath the right knee if it needs a little support. And as you exhale, we'll cross over, finding the movement all the way through. Inhale, lift your right arm, and then we can rest it on the block or maybe the floor. 5 breaths. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's bend the right elbow back onto the torso, slide back into the center. From constructive rest, settle for a moment. Extend the right leg, left knee into the chest. Slide over, resting on the bolster or the floor. Left arm comes up, and then exhale. Let's slide open. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, and you come back into the center. Bend both knees for a moment. Make sure the sacrum is settled and lie down. Give yourself a little rest, letting the body come back to the center, letting the mind and the nervous system balance again, feeling the heart of the practice as integration of mind and body. Allow yourself a few moments to feel that goodness that's within, planting the seeds that all is well. Now a long, deep breath in, and let's reawaken the body, your hands, your feet, the fingers, toes, the arms and legs, the head, the neck, the torso. The next breath in, let's bend the knees. You can slide immediately over to the side. Inhale, come all the way up to a comfortable seated position. We'll close the eyes for a moment, settle, connecting in to that deeper meaning of yoga as a journey of inner awakening, connecting into the deeper meaning of flexibility, to embody openness in the heart, in the mind, and in the spirit. Let's join the hands together. A long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this flexibility journey. I hope your twists feel inward, spiraling, and open, and that you feel inspired to continue the journey. Remember that flexibility is a process, an evolution, not a one-and-done type of practice. I hope you will return to this practice over and over again and really turn yoga into a lifelong commitment. Thanks again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on the mat tomorrow.